Well, I decided to pay a little attention to the Honda Element, and I've got a new seat cover, or two seat covers for it, and I've been using this one on the driver's side. Anyway, the price was really good on these. I don't know how well they'll hold up, but I'll post an update on these seat covers when the time comes for them to wear out, so we'll get an idea how long they lasted. But as you can see, I've got a mess here and mess over here, and you really didn't want to see the driver's side. It was worse than all of it. So what I have to do now is get my stuff out of here. There's a little button right here. Slide towards this way, like that, and you can pull the headrests out. About like that. There ain't no dust in Arizona. I'm gonna clean this up better when I get another cover for it. But for right now, I gotta figure out how to take it off. Okay, this is how you take the armrest off. First of all, push this button in and you raise the armrest up to that position. Then there's a knob right here. They call it a knob. Push this knob in like that, and then you just pull the whole unit completely out like that. And you got her. I'm going to finish putting the seat cover on now. Alright, I think what I want to do is make an opening here so I'll be able to access or remove this armrest when I need to, using my white lead grease pencil. All I need is an outline. Gee, you think I have to go all the way, man? Just leave that in there. Well, if you people do this, you can make your hole a little smaller than that, because this stuff is stretchy stuff, and I really kind of wish I'd have made it smaller. Anyway, that's that. It's done. Let's put this back. So, let's see. It's up position like that. And I believe this pin, there, it pops back out and it shows a little white line. When you see that little white line, you know it's locked. Okay. Okay, what I want to do is put this headrest back on. Okay, I've got the other seat cover. Just slide it over. if he's go over the bottom, they just slip over. Then you get these little metal hooks, and you can position them in with the straps. See the straps that they come with, and hook them under your seat. Okay, that's about the way she's going to be. And then I guess as you use them, they're going to get broke in and or broke up. I don't know. Like I said, I'll post an update if and when they start to get pretty ratty. And I hope they last quite a while, actually, but we'll see. They come with yeah, they do. Anyway, they come with a shoulder harness pad. So, this is Steve AZ711 saying, hope all your seat cover work goes really well. And have a good day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and until the next video, bye for now. I gotta get this other end. Where'd it go? I gotta put this on that shoulder strap over there. Got my shoulder strap pad on this side now. I'm coordinated.